Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can blur edges of an image on Canva. So what you can do is select the image and then go to edit photo, and then over here under effects we have blur, and if you click on it then we can use a brush, and then we can also make sure that you have brush type as add blur, and then we can adjust the values of intensity of the blur as well as the size of the brush. You can see the preview on the image. So let's say we can make a subtle blur, and let's make it 50 as an example, and then we can draw these purple areas like so, and then we have created a blur. We can do this on the other edge as well, like so, and although it won't be probably visible, it's not really visible, but we can also of course draw it on the other edges as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!